In this video, we will show you how to open terminal in ZorinOS. To open terminal in ZorinOS, you can just click the icon of the ZorinOS, okay, like on Windows, and you can find the terminal on the utilities. Just click the utilities and you need to scroll down. When you click terminal, the terminal will be open. But if you often using terminal, I suggest you can just pin into the dashboard, also into the taskbar. How to do that? Just right click and select pin to dash. Okay, this is for taskbar. And to pin into the desktop, you can just right click and select add to desktop. After that, if you want to remove on the desktop, you can right click again and select remove from desktop. Okay, and that's all. You can manage easy with terminal after you pin into the desktop and also into the taskbar. And that's all tutorial how to open terminal in ZorinOS. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.